Losing power in your home is bad enough, but if your basement is relying on a sump pump right now, it could spell disaster. KELOLAND's Kelly Volk talked with one man just north of Sioux Falls who had a close call.
Kalp is running on no sleep as his sump pumps run around the clock.
When the water gets high like this, it's a nightmare for me.
Plinus's power went out for about 2.5 hours yesterday, which is bad news for his 2 sump pumps.
Fortunately, Cal had a generator, but in the 10 minutes it took to get it hooked up, his sump pumps started overflowing.
So if you wouldn't have had your generator yesterday, what would your basement look like right now?
You'd probably be knee-deep in water. I'm not kidding you, knee-deep. That's how much water I got coming in.
Luckily, that didn't happen, but there is water coming up through the floor. And he's still recovering from the water he got in his basement at the start of the month.
How long have you had to wear your rubber boots around the basement?
Well, off and on for about 2 weeks now.
It's a headache, to say the least.
You just gotta grit your teeth and dig in your heels and do the best you can. That's all you can do.
But he knows he's not the only one working overtime to protect his home from the water.
But I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that, with this weather, are a lot worse off than I am.
Kelly Volk, KELOLAND News.
Plinus says that it's going to be another long night for him and his wife as they watch their sump pumps closely during the storm.